Hello, many areas had a fairly dry day on Saturday, if not rather cloudy, and it's really spot the difference as we head into Sunday. A lot of cloud around once again across the country, some rain to come across Scotland, but many other areas will be dry, the best chance of any brightness across the east. So as we head through the rest of Saturday into the evening and overnight then, as I said, a lot of cloud around across the country, the odd spot of rain or drizzle across some western hills, mainly dry and clear across the east. But once again, heavier, more persistent rain will spread in across the far north and west of Scotland through the night. Now here, winds will continue to strengthen through the night. We could have some local gales, turning quite breezy across other northern and western parts too. That will stop the temperatures falling too low here, but again it will be a fairly chilly night across more southern and eastern parts, with temperatures down to just 2 or 3 degrees. So most places will have a dry start on Sunday, if not rather cloudy, and in really similar conditions continuing through the rest of the day. A lot of cloud around in the north and the west, the odd spot of rain or drizzle to come. Best chance of any bright or sunny spells towards the east of England in particular. But again, heavy and more persistent rain will spread in across northern and western Scotland through the afternoon, particularly heavy over the northwest Highlands. Again, it will be windy with local gales here. Again, it will be breezy across the rest of the northern and western parts of the country. But despite the strong winds, another very mild afternoon to come. Afternoon highs of 9 to 11 degrees, well above where they should be for the time of the year, with 9 degrees reaching as far north as Orkney and Shetland. Through the rest of Sunday into the evening and overnight then, most places end the day on a dry note. That heavy and more persistent rain will spread northwards to clear most of Scotland through the night. So by the end of the night, most places will be dry, if not rather cloudy, and again fairly breezy towards the north and the west in particular. So it's another mild, frost-free tonight to come across the country. So all this fairly settled weather through the weekend has been brought around by this area of high pressure. But into the early part of next week, that will start to clear its way eastwards. And as that happens, areas of low pressure will sweep off towards the north of the UK. They will drive various weather fronts in across the country, so all of us will see some rain through Monday and Tuesday. But it's the strength of the wind we need to keep the closest eye on. Some very tightly packed isobars across the country, particularly on Tuesday and across northern areas. So we already have a yellow be aware warning in force for those strong winds. We could have some impacts from the strength of those winds. So it's definitely worth staying in touch with the forecast for that. For more information, you can always follow us on social media, and I'll see you again soon.